Hi everyone, this is the Starry Master. In this class, we will continue our math series and we will see the first and second problem from exercise 1.1 chapter relation and function. Let's go into the video. Here, the value of A are given m, n and value of B is null. So, we have to find A cross B. Let's take A cross B equal to the value of A is m, n and cross value of B is null. So anything into 0, null is equal to 0 only. So anything into 0, it is empty, nothing now. Then we have to find A cross A. The value of A is m, n cross the value of A is same m, n. So take one value and join with other two. So A cross A equal to m, m, n, take next value and join with next two. So n, m and n, n. We have found A cross A also. Then we have to find B cross A. The value of B is null. The value of A is m, n. Anything into null, empty, nothing. So B cross A is equal to empty set. Okay, let's go for second question. The value of A is given and the value of B. B is a prime number less than 10. So the value of B is equal to prime number. We all know the prime number is 2, 3, 5 and 7. 11 also a prime number, but the condition is less than 10. So we have to stop till here. So we have to find A cross B. The value of A is 1, 2 and 3 and cross the value of B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. We have to take one number and join with all the number. A cross B is equal to 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 1, 5, then 1, 7, then 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 2, 5, then 2, 7. Similarly for 3 also. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. We have found A cross B. Then we have to find B cross A. B cross A is equal to what the value of B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross the value of A is 1, 2, 3. So we have to take one value and join with all the three. You have to B cross A is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Similarly for 5 and 7 also. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Then for 7 also 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3. We have found B cross A also. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends, and leave a comment. I will post my videos often, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.